chicken! This is Drake here, and today we are going to be continuing the Discord.js bot tutorial series with a suggestions or suggest command. So I know it's been super long time since we have last uploaded, which this is the date here. Super sorry, I believe this is the date. Yeah, it's been super long time. Just been super busy with life. So yeah. I first just want to say before we start, if you do need any help or you just want to join a Discord server or just suggest video ideas, please join my server over here, Dreets Coding Hub. You can suggest stuff, and we don't have many people in this server right now, but hopefully we can grow that server. I'm also creating a new server called Dreets Kingdom that doesn't have to do with the channel at all or coding or anything. Just you'll have to wait and see. But if you do want to support me, click the link in the description down below and check out my Patreon, and you can donate there and become a Patreon. So let's get into the video. Alright, so here's what we did last time, ping, but let's come on over here in the commands folder, create a new file, and we're going to call it suggest.js. And in here, we are going to be coding our command. Alright, we're going to define message embed, so const message embed equals require discord.js, and we will just come over to our ping command, copy the module.exports because it's a pain to type it out, and then just put that there. Now we'll just change this to be suggest nothing, make a suggestion, and have the community vote. Alright, and this will be utility, and uses will be suggest and suggestion. Bam. Alright, here we will do let suggestion equal args.slice 0. I did already try this video multiple times, so I have to be I know what I messed up, so hopefully this time works. Alright, so let suggestion channel equal, and then here we're going to put message dot guild dot channels dot catch dot find. We will be dot catch dot find. We are gonna find a channel with the channel name that's equal to, and we are just gonna call it suggestions. So if there isn't a channel called suggestions, then this command isn't gonna work. So here we're just gonna check if there is one. So if there isn't a suggestion channel, then we will return and message dot channel dot send, and please create a channel named named suggestions before using this command. Alright, There we go. So that is, if there isn't a suggestion channel, then that is then it's going to tell you, it's going to stop and tell you to create one. Now we'll do const embed equal, I'm so bad at this, equals new message embed, and we'll do dot set title. The title will be new suggestion dot set description. The description will be suggestion, so just suggestion, because it'll pull the args.slice 0, I believe. Yep. So then we will do dot set color, and we will make our color random. You can make it like blue, green, red, any color, pink, any color, but I just am going to choose random because why not? Random is cool. We like random. Dot set footer. And the footer is going to say, nope. It's going to say message dot author dot tag, and ID will be the message dot author dot ID. All right. And now finally we'll do dot set timestamp. There we go. Now we, instead of just doing message.channel.send embed, we will do suggestion channel.send embed. And then message.channel.send your suggestion has been sent. There we go. There you go. And now, actually, here we want to add the reaction to the embed so people can vote on it with thumbs up or thumbs down. So we'll do dot then message, and like that. Alright. Alright, and message dot react with, and I have them up here because this is what messed up last time. React with thumbs up, and message dot react with thumbs down. Do a thumbs down, and then just gonna grab this and put it down here, actually. What am I doing? Seriously. There we go. Nope. There we go. Alright, we just want to send that. This should be working. Let me just look over it. Yes, that all should be right. Now we're just going to run no dot. And command ping, command suggest. Tutorial bot is online. Nice, yes, it is online. And we're going to do exclamation mark, suggest, and we'll suggest test, best test. Your suggestion has been sent. Here it is. Should go to here. Test best. What? Yeah. So this is good. It added the reaction, but for some reason, it put a line, a new line for each of it. I might have done this wrong. Well, obviously I did it wrong, but let me open another one of my bots and take a look at that. So I'll open this bot. I'm just gonna go to its ticket command and ticket and I'm just gonna find where the reason is. Nope, I don't think it does the same thing. So I'm just gonna copy that. So if we do args dot slice and then arg0 dot join. So maybe we need to dot join it. I really don't know. So we'll just try that. Alright. Exclamation mark suggest best test. Oh, and B7 did it too. We'll just delete that message. Just why not? Come in here. There we go. Yes, you have to dot join it with a space. And now we are gonna just I don't know. We'll close it later. All right. So there we go. That worked. This is a pretty nice suggestion command. But yeah, this all works, and yeah. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, go check out my Patreon and my Discord server over here, and keep an eye out for this one. I have some bot reviews coming soon. Look at the Big Q, Atlantic, B7, Frosty, Riot. Got a lot of bots in the queue. Alright, so that is going to be it for today's video. I'm Drake, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.